Welcome to today's tutorial on how to delete a language from your Facebook profile on PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook. Step 2. Locate your profile photo at the top right corner of the screen and click on it. This will open your profile page. Step 3. Click on the About section, which can be found below your profile photo. This will take you to the page where you can edit your profile details. Step 4. Inside the Contact and Basic Info tab, find the pen icon next to the Language section. Click on it to edit your language settings. Step 5. Look for the desired language you want to delete and click on the X icon next to it. This will remove the language from your profile. Step 6. Finally, click on Save to save the changes you made to your language settings. And that's it. You have successfully deleted a language from your Facebook profile on PC. Thank you for watching this tutorial.